Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, universal garage door opener, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.